Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Vlogmas 4. In today's video I wanted to give you some vegetarian recipe ideas to eat for Christmas if you are the only vegetarian in your family, and talk about vegetarianism and veganism in general. Here I'm doing fried eggplants. I'm inserting them in the yolk and then in the flour to give them a little crunchiness when they're fried. So if you didn't know, I am vegetarian, and in today's video my mom is gonna be helping me a lot. And I just want to say, if you aren't vegetarian or vegan, don't feel guilty this Christmas, because I know with family members can be really hard to do, and this is my first year being vegetarian in a family in the south of Italy that's pretty strict about eating meat, but I'm really happy. My mom and my dad are pretty I would say calm about the idea. So this is the first idea I wanted to give you. These are fried eggplants and they are delicious, guys. They're like so good, and this will be used in another recipe later, so stick around for that. Here we are doing croquette. I've posted them on my IG story a couple of days ago, so if you don't follow me there, make sure to follow me. The ingredients are the following: so potatoes, of course, mashed potatoes, cheese, eggs, salt, pepper, and breadcrumbs. And yeah, so here I'm mixing everything in the bowl. This is my mom. It's so satisfying to watch. So next we have breadcrumbs and olive oil. We are gonna do the shape of the croquette, and then I'm gonna show you in the video to first put on your hand some olive oil and then put it in the breadcrumbs and just roll them around to make sure they absorb the breadcrumbs. Now with the leftovers of the potatoes, we are doing a potato pita. I don't know how to translate it. Essentially it's a pie with potatoes, and then in the inside we are gonna put some vegetables. Here I'm cutting up zucchini, tomatoes, but you can essentially put whatever you want.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting So I'm offering the simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering
And put it in the oven at 180 degrees for half an hour. Then with the fried eggplants we can do a kind of vegetarian lasagna. So we need the lasagna, mozzarella and a pan with the tomato sauce in it. And thanks so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure to catch up with the other vlogmas and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!